everyone, hope you're well and welcome to today's video. So I thought I'd share with you this autumnal look, you know, goldy colours, bit of green. I really wanted to go with green, something a bit different, and you know, mauve lips. So if you want to see how I created this look, carry on watching. So I'm going to start off with 2 pumps of the BarePro, as I always do. I find this lid a bit messy though, you know. I'm finding it really a bit messy, like what is going on. Honestly, the way, how long it takes me to set this phone up to do the videos, oh my God. It takes me like 5 hours. The ring light's falling down, the camera's falling down, everything's falling down. Oh my goodness. Don't you hate it, like when you like, say you've had a shower and you're all clean? Okay, two things. You've had a shower, you're all clean and dry and you've moisturised and everything, and then you're like, and you've put your nail oil on and everything, and then you've got to clean your freaking sponge, and you've got to stand there for 30 minutes rinsing the soap out of the sponge. It just is the most annoying thing on the planet. Because the soap, and I know I have to get like proper soap or something, Dr. Bronner's, because it just does not rinse the F out. And I'm squeezing it and I'm squeezing it and it's still got soap in it. Okay, then I go in with concealer. Tarte Shape Tape as always. Oh, I was going to say something else now. I've forgotten. What the hell was I going to say? Oh, yeah. So the other thing is, on a Monday morning, right? I'm sitting downstairs. You know, I'm downstairs all morning, okay? All morning, right? I go up and have a shower. And the second, and I'm not joking, this happens every time. The second I'm out of the shower, in my nethers, naked, does that even make up, is that even a word? Naked with a towel on my head, the postman. Every single time. And I'm like, and by the time I figured out what to throw on, he's gone. And I'm just like, every time I'm sitting there all freaking morning, and the second I'm in my underkecks, you're ringing the doorbell. It just, you know, and they ring the doorbell and knock the door so frantically it makes you like jump. You're like, ah! You know, and you're trying to get all your bits and pieces together, but like I can't grab a robe and go downstairs in my robe, and it's like, what the frick do I wear? And I'm like panicking for like, and by the time I get down there, it's bloody gone, and I'm just like, oh my God. And I'm hanging out the window with my towel on going, just leave it by the door. Goodness gracious me. Okay. Right, concealer on. Then I'm going to set my under eyes with Laura Mercier Secret Brightening. I'm filming up here to do my makeup video because it's just a lot easier. Because I'm in front of the window and I've got another window, and I think it's a lot easier. I don't know. Is it? Who knows? But we're gonna do it this way before. Anyway, so yeah. Right, gonna set under eyes. I'm trying to do this so I'm not doing a 1-hour makeup tutorial, because, you know, I do take a long time. I'm gonna set my foundation with the bareskin, and I got these Juno sponges, and I mean, tell me if I'm doing something wrong, because everyone says they're amazing, but I don't really know. I don't know if it works. I mean, when I first used it, I hadn't made it wet enough. But I just feel even when they are wet, they're just not, you know, like, I feel like this doesn't absorb the makeup, but this does. I don't know. I just don't feel like it works. It's fine with my powder because it dries kind of quickly. So I like it for powder. But it definitely does not work with my Tarte Shape Tape. It just eats it all up. So I don't know what's the big thing about these. That's why I got them off Amazon, because I thought, oh, everyone's raving about these Juno velvet sponges. But can you tell me, like, what's what are they supposed to be good for? Like, am I not soaking it properly? I washed it. Do they need to be used a few more times? I just don't feel like, and I see all like the makeup on it, and is that good? Does that mean it's not soaked it up or has soaked it up? I don't know, but I just don't feel like it's working. This is really bothering me, this. I don't know, okay. Okay, next we're gonna go with bronzer. And I like to start off with a Hoola bronzer first. See, now my hands are all dry. They were lovely moisturised. I had my shower, then I had to wash my frigging sponge, and now I'm back to like dry nails. Honestly, I attempt to use this brush because I like it, but lately, when I've been using it, I feel like it's too much. So I like to just kind of, like it takes up my whole face. So I like to just kind of go this way a bit and just tap it. So just kind of tap it where I want it, just to give me a bit of definition. Is it working? So like that, because when I do that, it takes up my whole face. Well, it shouldn't do, should it? It shouldn't, should it? But I just love the colour of this, but you don't want, you know, you don't want too much, you know? And then what I do is I put that back and I go in with my ambient lighting, which there's not even anything left in there, but you know, I'll get the corners if I can. And then I blend it out with this one. You see, you get a nice bit of blendage. And then go around. And then I've got all these little fluffy baby bits of hair which like stick all over my face. That's really annoying. Okay. I hope I'm straight on, I don't know. And then I've been loving my blush, Rocketeur Shop Your Stash, because I've had this for years and I freaking love the stuff. It's the best freaking blush. I know I say that about most blushes, but bright, you know, I get addicted to something, I get obsessed with something really quickly. And I love the little applicator, which I have. You know, there's things, benefits hit and miss for me, like their brows, unbeatable. Blushes, bronzers, unbeatable, right? They're like face stuff, as in their skincare and like base, foundations, concealer. I just don't like it. Every time I go and get my brows done, one of the girls always redoes my makeup, and I just hate it every time. The makeup is just, in my opinion, really shit. The foundations, they're just, I look at them and I'm like, I'm not even interested in it. The bottle, what it's offering. Hello Flawless used to be a good powder, and I don't think they do that anymore. That was a good powder, but their concealers, they just don't work for me. They just don't. Yeah, I don't know. And every time I'm just like, oh look, it looks really fresh and nice, and I'm like, I hate it. I love all their tints and things. So this is the little Gimme brow. I love all their tints and you know, again, even their eyeshadows, I don't think they even do eyeshadows and lip stuff anymore. They really shouldn't. They should just stick with brows and powders, bronzers, blushes, because they're excellent at that. I mean, you may love the foundation, like Hello Happy and all of that, but for me, it's just, that stuff doesn't cut it for me. I need, you know, full-on heavy duty, you know? I just find it's a bit of nothingness. And I had the whole skincare range, and she's telling me about the skincare range. I'm like, yep, no, I've tried it, yep, no. For me, it's just like, unless you like bareMinerals and it's all about the skin, I just don't trust the skincare range. I had the SPF, I had the eye cream, I had the what else was it? It was like the SPF 15 eye cream and toner. And I had, yeah, but I just think it's fine if you're like 13 or something. I don't know. I just don't think it's like, I just wouldn't waste my money on it. No way. Right. Let's go on to eyes. So I'm going to go in on my copper palette, but I wanted to use the green because I've never used the green. See that one here? I might have used it to swatch. It's called Trippin. I don't like that name. Oh, okay, no, I get it, because it's kind of like 1970s sort of, you know, gypsy aura, bonfire, truth, wild child, tripping. Okay, I get it. Well, I want to use that green because I haven't used it before. So, what brush should one use? I'm going to use this flat one. Okay, so I'm going to just go right in there. Oh my God, it's so pigmented. It really is. It's really pigmented. Right. The trick is with shadows like this, or dark shadows, is you just really want to pack them on. Okay, so pack them on the lid, and then you want to take something a little bit fluffier and just blend out the edges. This might be a bit too thick. Do I think it's too thick? I don't know. Yeah, okay, so we're going to try and just sort of like blend out the edge. Actually, do I want a mixing colour to mix with it? I think what I'll do is blend a bit of Hoola. And I need something a little bit thinner. So I'm going to take Hoola as like a crease colour. Just a smidge. And I'm just going to sort of blend that. Because I don't want to lose the colour that I've packed on. So I just want to keep it to the edge. I'm going to take the rest of that bronzer and just sort of run it under my eye like that. Whatever's left. Okay, now, so you can always go back with that green because I always think, oh, actually no, it's quite nice. And now I've got fallout all over my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in this really bronzy colour, but I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna place that over the top. Oh, this is like a lovely rusty burnt sort of gold. It's quite nice, isn't it? Look at that on the eyes, gorge. And I'm just putting that right on the top. Sometimes you kind of got to rub this. Okay. I don't know whether we've lost the green now. I feel like we've lost the green. Have we? I should have maybe thought this through, yeah? You may want to think the look out first, Shaz, instead of going all gung-ho. Right, I think we've lost the green. I don't know what's going on here, but you know, we're learning together, aren't we? Learning together. We're just having a good time. Trying to, anyway. Okay, let's... Oh my God. What happened to the freaking green? Oh, I don't know whether to put the green in the crease or not now. Or maybe we should just use the green as a liner. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, I'm going to try using the green as a liner. So let's put this on the radiator and dip that into the green. And I'm going to see what it looks like as a liner. There's a reason why you don't go into certain colours, isn't it? Like, yeah, I don't know. Actually, this might work, ladies and gents. This might work. I think so. I think that works, doesn't it? Can't see because the ring light's right in my face. But I have to put the ring light on because otherwise you're just going to get darkness. So, do you know what I mean? Can't win either way, can you? I did initially want to use this as a eyeliner. There used to be this girl I worked with, and she always wore this matte green liner. No, was it NARS? Dark green liner, and I was obsessed. And I was like, tried to do the same, it just didn't work. Always the way, isn't it? Okay. What are we thinking? I think we need to put more green in, but I just don't know. Maybe I'll put it on the edges, shall I? Let's try it on the edges. Then we've got that gold in the middle. Oh, yeah, I think that might work. And you've just got that peep of gold. Oh, I think that's a better way to do it, isn't it? Okay, I've put more of the gold on the top, and I think that looks better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that really bright one now, Aura. I'm going to see if I can just place that there, just to give it a bit more pop. Right there. Just to brighten that a bit. What do we think? Oh, that's quite nice. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush. Ah! Why do you think it's all out of my hands? Oh my goodness! I'm going to take a smaller brush and take that shiny colour, that lighter one, and sort of put it in the centre there. This is more of a like bonfire night look. Goodness, what the hell am I doing? Yeah, it's fine. It's Monday. Let's play with them. You know, that's what we need to do. Sometimes we're at home and we're like, oh, you know, I'm not going anywhere today. I've got laundry to do and what have you. Then I think to myself, yeah, let's play with the makeup look. And why not do it, you know, while I'm talking to you at the same time? Okay. All right. That's it. Let's not go any further. What I'm then going to do is go into my waterline. This is really good actually. This is the bareMinerals One Fine Line, and I love this because it's so thin, it's so slim, and what it does is you just go right into your lash line like this. You just wiggle it into the lash line, and you get a really nice, if you find doing your eyes really difficult, just use this and wiggle it in. Go in my waterline with my bareM Kohl. Really curled my lashes, and I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is the best mascara on the freaking planet. Okay, eyes done. I think it's fine. I'm going to go in with lips, and this is bareMinerals Juju, one of my favourites. I pull it out every autumn. It's a matte liquid lip. You can leave it like that or go around with a bit of liner, and Soar, MAC Soar is again always, it's an all-time favourite. I think there you have it. This is my autumnal look. Let's have a look in natural daylight, shall we? So this is natural daylight, and it doesn't look as, it looks better in natural light, doesn't it? So you can see the eyes and the lips. I think it's just a nice look. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you're new, and chat soon. Bye.